Good morning, Will.
Good morning, hon. How's it going?
Good. What are we gonna eat for breakfast, actually?
Some street food, hopefully.
Okay.
That's what we came to Shanghai for.
Street food?
The good stuff.
Wave to the vlog.
Is Shanghai style crepe.
Crepe?
Scallions, egg, and oil. How's on it? It's really good. Why you like it? I got dumpling.
What'd you get? Dumpling?
I got a meat dumpling and a vegetable dumpling. This is what I come for.
Yeah, I feel like I'm at home.
It's the street food.
Okay, we just ate the most delicious street food ever, and I want to do that for breakfast every single morning now, ever. I don't know, do you know what that egg stuff was called?
It's called 大饼, which means big crepe.
Okay, so it's like this delicious crepe with egg and chive in it, and then we had dumplings, like pork buns.
Pork buns.
Baozi. I put my hair up because China makes my hair a frizz ball. See, there's the frizz.
So it begins.
It's beautiful. And then we're going to the Bund. The Bund?
The bun.
Bund.
I don't know why it's called the bun.
I don't know either, but apparently it will give us a view of the skyline, which is exciting, and hopefully it's not too smoggy because it's quite, I think it's supposed to thunderstorm today too. So we gotta be prepared. And mom just texted, so we gotta go. Hong
Hongcha.
Cha.
Exactly. Cool. Good job.
It's really good. Also, fun fact, if you ask for cold tea, you get lukewarm tea. So now I've decided that China cold is a thing. It's like if you want cold water, you get lukewarm water. Is it just because it's like so warm here?
It's subtropical.
And it's springtime, and it's like really humid.
Yes, it'll get even more humid and more scorching hot.
That's crazy. I'm glad we're in spring.
This is a good time to come.
The twisty thing.
And the one with the hole, that's like a Japanese katana. It's a Japanese building.
Oh, okay.
It's shaped like a sword at the tip.
Oh, wow. Oh! Katana!
Katana, yeah.
Oh! What would you say is the temperature right now?
1,000 degrees.
Can't believe this is like spring only. I don't think I could come here in the summer.
Yeah, I don't know how Lydia did it.
I don't know, props to you, Lyd. You get 100 million points. It really makes me really red, look at it. But I am a little bit sunburned though. I was stupid and I didn't wear my sunscreen today.
There we go.
Okay, the umbrella makes it worse, but the umbrella is our savior.
It's a necessary thing.
Chinese McDonald's.
Oh, that's nice. It's not that bubbly.
Whoa. That's good McDonald's.
Alright. Naomi's gonna go up to the front and she's gonna ask for a lid using Chinese. We'll see how this goes. And she got it. Look at her. They understood what she said. Good job, honey.
Yo, what's up, Jackson? We have made it back from our first day adventure to take a rest before we go. I just knocked my earring right off my ear. Okay, back to what I was saying. We're going out for dinner. It's time to recap the Chinese I've learned today as I do my makeup. Because we're about to go out for dinner with the fam. So, basics. Hello is ni hao. Thank you is xie xie. Dui bu ji is sorry. No problem is mei guan xi. Mei guan xi? Mei guan xi. What else did I learn today? 我要该吃 我要 is I want. And that's how I ordered my lid for my cup today. 该吃 is lid. 红茶 is like red tea. 小笼包 is soup dumplings. Look, soup dumplings. Done. Time for dinner. Finally found Lay. He's in a bottle. There was literally no way possible that we could have finished all that food though.
No, it's impossible. That's the point. Like, it's the culture to just order as many dishes as possible.
It was crazy.
The good thing is at least they took those food home.
Yeah.
So that's nice. So it wasn't like wasteful.
It thunderstormed, so the humidity has broken, and it's really nice. It's cooled down a lot. I learned a couple more Chinese words, so I think I'll sign off with those. I need your help. Hao qi? Yeah?
That's good.
Hao qi is like delicious. It means good, eat. And then Shanghainese, like 这位 is like see you later? See you soon? What is it? See you. 这位. How do you say everyone? Daga. So Kevin was trying to teach me I don't understand, but in Shanghai it was like 我不晓得 我不晓得
Or Mandarin is 我不知道
我不知道 Okay. 大概这位 Okay.